Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain you what is a HAR capture. As well, I will also explain you how to use HAR file for debugging website access related issues. All right. So let's quickly begin, guys, with the demonstration. So all you need to do is you need to use your browser, be it Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Whatever browser you're using, you will use your browser to capture an HTTP archive file, okay, or export an HTTP archive file for that matter. So before we quickly begin, I would like to give you some theoretical insight of what exactly an R file is and how it exactly works. So basically, this HTTP archive, which is known as HAR as in short form, okay, is a format used for the recording of browser related activities whilst you're accessing a website. All right, and it also logs network requests, okay, that is happening in your browser. And also it it is also used to export the captured session data. All right, and also this HAR file helps us to troubleshoot uh, issues related to a website, okay. And also this file which you have exported in the form of a .har extension file can be shared with other teams for troubleshooting if you work in an IT industry. All right, and also sometimes troubleshooting issues, right, require additional information about the network requests your browser is making or generating why during the issue, okay, or when the issue occurs. All right, if I talk about an example, okay, if authentication is not working as expected, okay, for a website that you are trying to log on, okay, you can generate and analyze an HAR traffic file, okay, to identify the source of the issue, whether the issue is with the SSO system, okay, single sign-on system, or with the application or the web application that you are trying to access to or log into. Okay, also the file, also this file can be used to debug the performance and page rendering issues, okay, on the websites. Okay, so and also sometimes, right, if you have opened a support ticket, okay, with the actual website vendor, the website vendor may ask you to attach or include a HAR file in your support ticket, okay, that can help either vendor or the website owning team, okay, to speed up the resolution process or the troubleshooting process, to expedite the troubleshooting process, where this HAR capture file will come very handy. All right, and also this file keeps tracks of each resources that are loaded within the browser, along with the timing information of those resources. All right, and also the extension of the file, HAR file, like I said, it ends with .har format, okay. And also if you feel that the HAR file is a very huge or in humongous size, you can also compress this HAR file, all right, by using some zip tools, right. And also keep in mind that HAR files, right, this HAR file contains all the sensitive data, including the content of the web pages you download, okay. And also it also keeps a track of your cookies as well. All right, this allows anyone with the HAR file to impersonate your account and also the information that you submitted while recording, like as in your personal details, like your passwords, other card informations, etc. Okay, and also ensure once after you have captured the HAR file or captured the HAR data, you open the file using a text editor such as maybe Notepad plus plus or Notepad, etc. Okay, and search for the key term password and remove any pointing information that has sensitivity information like your password, etc., and remove it from the HAR captured data. Okay, remove all details containing uh, password information. All right, and this is one point to be noted. All right, and also Okay, and now when we talk about har file, generating a har file, or generating a har capture, you just need to use your browsers. Okay, developer tools, you just have to go to click on this three vertical dots and click on more tools, and here you will have developer tools. Okay, so this is how you generate, this is how you navigate to enabling a har capture. All right, and particularly this is identical on an Edge or Chrome browser. Okay, I'm talking about Chromium based browsers, that includes Chrome, Edge, etc. It will be the same, the one that I showed you. Okay, however, the method will be different if you are running a Firefox browser. I don't want to touch that just now. Okay, because it will deviate the topic, and also I don't have Firefox browser to demo it, how to enable the har capture in a Firefox browser. All right, that's a separate topic. And this har file information, right, is stored in a JSON format. Okay, which means in order to visualize the information in an easier manner, tools such as har viewer can be used. Also, it will contain the HTML document and its respective JavaScript and CSS script, right? I mean, all these JavaScript and CSS files uh, constitute a website content. All right. So all these details will be available in a HTML document, basically, right? And also viewer, which I was talking about some time ago. This tool helps displaying the contents of the har file. So that is the use of a har viewer tool. All right. And with the help of a har viewer tool, log file records, HTTP request, and response header information can be viewed. And also to view the har file contents, if you are using Chrome, like I showed you, it's just going into developer tools and just enabling it. Okay, and also this har file is a very useful tool. Okay, which is in a file format that allows to store the network request details in the browser, and also helps us in debugging the performance and latency of a website that renders issues offline. All right, so this is the brief about what exactly this har capture or har file is about, right? So let's go to the network tab, guys. And all you need to do is go to the network tab under the developer tools menu, and then just select preserve log and disable cache. I will actually show you. I will also give a reason why we need to do this. Okay, disable cache. What it does is it captures or retrieves all the traffic from the web browser. Okay, from the destination web address, says web server. Okay, it captures and retrieves all the web traffic from the web server. Okay, and also exempts the browser level cache for a particular destination website. All right, that's the use of disable cache. And preserve log is nothing but, so basically this checkbox lets you uh, persist logs between a page refresh. Okay, basically this is very useful when you are debugging a website issue. Okay, that requires you to refresh the page, since all the otherwise output is cleared. All right, during a page refresh, if you don't enable this, all the previously captured requests will get deleted. Okay, that's why we select this option. Okay, so that during each website refresh, this the data will be persistent, and the previously captured logs would not go away or would not get vanished. So that's the basic use of both these tabs. Enabling both these options over here. Okay, let's quickly do browsing just now. Right, let's go to facebook.com. Mm. And as you can see, guys, all the network traffic is browser level web traffic is getting captured here in the form of requests, right? And the main thing is making use of these status codes. These are the HTTP status codes. Okay, 200 means it's a OK response, which means the website is rendering the request in a right manner. Okay, there is no issues with the website, with the loading of this website, facebook.com. Okay, so that's how you make use of these http status codes. Okay, and if you receive a 404 error, then probably it means there are issues related to the web server. Okay, rendering us the web page. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. So what you need to do is, how do you export this? For example, let's say I'm just selecting this manifest request over here, and if I right click, right, what I will do is I just need to select the option save all as har with content. If you select that, you will see a har file will get generated just now. Okay, you can go to documents and you can just save it. All right, and yeah, so that's how you do it, guys. Another option is over here. You will see um, export har option over here. Okay, you can click this and you can save the file in a similar manner. Okay, there are two ways of doing it. Okay, and I'm just going to give facebook.com underscore chrome, and that's it. That's how you export that's how you export a log, guys, har captured. Okay, and you can if you see this, if I expand the chrome browser, you will see all the details over here of every request that is flowing or rendered via the browser session. There are a lot of requests. Okay, you can get all the information related to the um, method that is being used. That fetches you the information. It's the get method, right? And it also has the response headers available. Also, if you see, if you dig in further, there is a right arrow key, two right arrow keys here. And if you see the timing, it will show you the time through which the web server responds you. Okay, you can see here, you can see 2.330 milliseconds is what the response time is from that time when you requested the web server. Okay, and the time when the web server responded back. Okay, and this is the overall time it took to download the content, which is 47.15 milliseconds. Okay, and this will be little difficult to read or visualize the data. So in order to visualize the data in a very easier fashion, you can use some tools over here. You can just go to let me open up the chrome browser. Okay, this is the chrome browser. If you go to more tools and if you go to extensions, right, if you just type here har viewer. Otherwise, you have to download it from a Google search, har extension chrome. So this is the extension that I was talking about, har archive viewer. Okay, you can just add to chrome, right? It's asking me to log in. I just don't have that now. Instead, what I will do is I will use another tool which is known as har analyzer. Har analyzer chrome. Sorry about the pronunciation. So this is the tool, guys. You just have to drag and drop the file, the har capture, which we exported some time ago, right? It's opening up, guys. So what you need to do is just say choose file, and just go to documents. Okay, just going to select the first file and just say open. All right, and here you go, guys. This will be more easier to visualize the data. All right, and as I said, if I just want to intercept this request and learn more about it, I will just select that particular request and use the right side information. right hand side information like the requests. All these details are kind of tougher to analyze, but however, if you work in a IT industry where you use it more frequently, it's going to be very easier for you. Okay. As you can see, whenever we receive the 200 code, it means okay, like I said before. And you can view the timing, which is to troubleshoot any latency issues related to the website. Okay. And as you can see here, the overall, the wait time, right? Wait time looks a bit I mean it's not an ideal wait time. Okay, it's between 100 and 200 milliseconds. Okay, I can just show you the just now ideal website load time. All right, so it is somewhere between hmm, what is ideal website load time or response time. Okay, so as you can see here, an ideal server response time, the web server response time should be lower than 200 milliseconds. Okay. Like I said, anywhere between 100 to 200 milliseconds will be ideal. Okay, if it goes beyond that, there may be some latency issues either within your network or within the web server's network, right? So that is where this timing tab comes in very handy to you. Okay. And so that's how you do it, guys. Like there is no exact use case just now for me to show you how exactly to troubleshoot or debug an issue with a website in real time just now, because I don't have a valid use case just now. But if I find one, I will make a separate video on that. Okay, but for now, this is how you use it. You use the Google's HAR analyzer, okay, to view the HTTP exported HTTP archive captured traffic data. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the support button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet in the next video with more useful content like this. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.